Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful video for you today. Well, listen, summer's coming up, and you know what that means? Well, at least for me, that means infused fruits and vegetables. So, listen, you can do this all year round. This is a quick and easy way for you to infuse your fruits and vegetables, your detox waters, and to be able to take them on the go. Quick, easy, prepped in advance, and all you gotta do is snatch a bottle and run, okay? So let's go to preparing this easy way for you to detox your body, get your water content in to detox the body, clean it out, and you don't have to worry about doing it every minute. I mean, you're working, you're on the go. So let me make it easy for you, okay? Let's start this right now. So we're gonna be using our cucumbers, which is a wonderful diuretic. It's going to help you to flush toxins out your body. It's going to help give your body that nourishing, that hydration, okay? We're also going to be using our lemons, which is wonderful for digestion, wonderful for stirring up that intestines, detoxing your body, flushing out, as well as weight loss, okay? We're also going to be using our mint leaves. Wonderful for digestion. If you're bloating, this is good for gas. I mean, awesome, awesome, awesome. Now, you're going to have your little water bottles, whatever spring water you have, whatever healthy water you have, that's good. Being that this is not an organic cucumber, we're going to skin this. We're going to take the peel off because we don't want any of that waxy stuff in our bodies. That's toxic. All right, so we're back. Now, it's so easy, you guys. Prep your vegetables and fruits, slice them up very thin. Now, I'm not sure exactly how many cucumbers we're going to need for our waters, but we're going to play that by ear, and you'll know exactly how much you're going to need after this video. So yes, slice them up nice and thin. Okay? And you're going to do the same for your lemons. Make sure your lemons are clean, scrubbed, okay? If they're not organic, well, either way, clean your vegetables and your fruits. So we're going to thinly slice our lemons. And now we're just going to take the leaves off of our mint, because we don't need the stems, and just put that on the side. Get that ready. Our vegetables and fruits and our herbs are ready. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pour out a little bit of this water in our bottle. Have your measuring cup on the side. Okay, you pour out most of it, or at least half of it, most of it actually, 3/4 of it. Then you're going to pop in your mint leaves. Put a couple of those in there. Then you're going to pop in your cucumbers. If they can't squeeze in, you may have to break them in half. But either way, pop them inside your bottle. Okay? Very easy. If you got to break them into pieces, that's okay. And do the same with your lemons. Now with the lemons, the skin may be harder to actually break in half, so you're just going to squeeze that in there. Okay, that's why I said slice them nice and thin. Okay. And then afterwards, you just fill the rest up with the water that you poured out. May have some leftover water, but that's okay. And you got your infused water ready. Okay, so I'm just going to finish doing the rest of these bottles. I mean, it's so simple, so easy. And what you do is after you prep it, you put it in your refrigerator for at least 8 to 12 hours, just so that it can fuse and steep. So what I'm going to do is finish preparing all the rest of these, and I'll come back and show you exactly what they're going to look like. See you soon. Right, you guys, so this is it. This is what you do. I had so much extra fruits. You really don't need the 3 lemons and possibly just maybe a half a cucumber. So yeah, I had some extras, so I grabbed a couple more bottles. 3, 6, 7, okay? You can just snatch 2 or 3 for the day and you're good. You just pre-prep them in advance. Let them sit in the refrigerator for at least 8 to 12 hours. But once you shake it up and you drink it, you are good to go. Fast and easy and healthy. So this is a wonderful way for you to prep your infused waters in advance on the go. Grab a couple of bottles and you're good. So thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell. Make sure it's lit. Wonderful detox drink ideas for your summer, for your all around the season type, okay? And again, thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos, okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.